Hi guys, today we're going to tap on worthiness because I know if we're being honest, at some point or another, we all battle with this idea of feeling like we're worthy. And so I'm going to ask you to just take a few deep grounding breaths. Allow yourself to tune in to what it is that you're feeling as it relates to your worthiness. And allow yourself to be open to receive everything that we're going to walk through today. And we'll start right here with the setup point and get started. Before we dive in, I want you to take a brief moment and rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being like, I absolutely do not feel worthy. I don't feel like anything I do matters. I don't feel like I stand out. I don't feel important or anything like that. And 0 being like, I know I'm worthy. I already know I can create the success I desire and deserve. And I already know I'm worthy and always have been. Based on where you're at, if you're really anything above a 5, I'm going to ask you to tap with me, but really anything above a 0, this could definitely help. And then we'll touch base about halfway through to see where you're at and how we can continue to tap out those negative beliefs and tap in those positive suggestions. So we're going to get here and get started, settle in, and we'll start right here with the setup point. Even though I feel like I'm not worthy, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I feel worthless, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I feel like I don't matter, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel undeserving, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel like I'm no good, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And even though I feel like I don't have the things I want because I'm not worthy, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I feel like I haven't reached my goals because I'm unworthy, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I often compare myself to other people and feel undeserving and unworthy, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it feels like I can't shake this belief, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Take a deep breath and we'll continue to tap it out. Even though I have been told bad things about my value and about my worth, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have allowed myself to believe bad things about my value and about my worth, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel unworthy of the things I desire, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have felt this way for years, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though these beliefs negatively impact my success, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though these beliefs block my blessings, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I can't remember a time that I've ever felt worthy, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And even though these thoughts cause a lot of feelings such as anxiety, frustration, and overwhelm, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Wonderful job. Now, I want you to check in with yourself, and I want you to see where you're at on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 being like, yep, I still feel absolutely unworthy, feels like nothing's ever going to be able to stop that feeling. And 0 being like, you know what? I'm starting to see my worth. Like, I know it's here. Like, I know I'm worthy. Duh. And I want you to think about where you're at. If you're anything above a 2, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and rewind this video so that you can continue to go through the meridian points on your body to tap out those negative beliefs. If you are below a 0, stick with me, because what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tap in those positive suggestions now. I am worthy of success. I am worthy of happiness. I am worthy of good things. I matter to myself. I matter to other people. My existence makes a difference in this world. I have an impact. With every breath I take, I realize my worth more and more. I have always been worthy. I will always be worthy. Just by being myself, I am worthy. I have unique gifts. I have beliefs that serve me. I have unique talents. I surround myself with people who know my value and my worth. Every single day, my self-worth grows. I believe in myself. Wonderful job. Wonderful job. Now, I want you to check in with yourself, and I want you to see how you're feeling. If you're like most people, you should be feeling super upbeat, super high vibe. And the good thing is, you get to come back and use this video whenever you need to. Whenever you're feeling or questioning your value, your self-worth, maybe you're stepping into something new, maybe there's just been that belief that's kind of been circling in your head, you can come back and reference this video. Because when we align our beliefs with the success we want, we get to bring it to fruition. If you'd like more details about how to become certified in tapping so that you can not only use it in your own life and change your life, but also be able to use it with other people, I have great news for you. If you use the link below, you can get access to a behind-the-scenes experience of my Elevate Method. My Elevate Method is a certification program where you become certified in 5 different modalities: life and success coaching, hypnosis, neurolinguistic programming, time techniques, and EFT, also known as tapping, which is exactly what we just did. If you'd like to experience these modalities for yourself firsthand so that you can see how transformative they are and want to learn more about the certification, plus get an exclusive link for over $1,000 off and some amazing bonuses, use that link below so that you can grab your seat in a free behind-the-scenes experience. And trust me when I say, your future self will be so freaking grateful you did.